Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Roshan. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Sublime Text. In the previous video I told you I am going to show you the installation process of that text editor. The video was named how to create a website using HTML, so you can go check it out. It's an introduction on HTML, so you can check it out. Link is in the description. Now let's start the installation process of Sublime Text, the text editor. So you have to go to the Google and search Sublime Text, and you have to seek for the version 3, and when you enter you get the first link, that is download Sublime Text. Click on that. Actually you don't have to do that much. I will just give the download link in the description. You just click on it and you will be redirected to the download page. So for the timing, look at the download page. It looks like something like this, and to download there are it's available for OS X, Windows and Linux also. Whichever OS you are on, operating system you are on, you can download for that. For the timing I will be going to download it for Windows, and you don't have to download the portable version, because if you download the portable version you will be facing some problems, so don't download the portable version. I'll just click on the Windows button or Windows 64 button if you are on Windows. So I will just download it, and the download started. But I don't need to download it, it's just 8 megabits and I've already downloaded it. You can download it, it's a small file. Link is in the description, so don't worry. And you can see the setup is over here. I will just move this thing a little bit. That's the setup. So just double click on it and a pop-up will appear. If you can't see right now on the screen, you have to just select yes, and now the welcome screen appears of the setup. So you have to just press next, next, next and install, and the setup installed. That was so easy. And click on finish. For the time being, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the video, comment if you have any queries, share this video if you found this video helpful.